Hi guys, welcome to Software Testing Easy Learn Tutorials. Today's my topic: what is regression testing? When do we do regression testing? Regression testing manual or automation? Let's start. What is regression testing? Repeated testing of an already tested program after modification to discover any defects introduced or uncovered as a result of the changes in the software being tested or in another related or unrelated software components. In simple words, we do regression testing by re-executing the test against the modified application to evaluate whether the modified code breaks anything which was working earlier. Anytime we do modify an application, we should do regression testing. Regression testing gives the confidence to the developers that there is no broken functionality after modifying the production code. It makes sure that there are no unexpected side effects. When do we do regression testing? We do regression whenever the production code is modified. Usually we do execute regression test in the following cases. First example: when new functionalities are added in the application. A website has a login functionality which allows user to do login only with email. Now the new features look like providing a new features to do login using Facebook. Second example: when there is the changes requirement. Remember, password should be removed from the login page which is available earlier. When there is a defect fix. Example: imagine login button is not working. Is a login page and a tester reports to bugs starting that the login button is broken. Once the bug is fixed by the developers, tester test is to make sure whether the login button is working as per the expected result. Similarly, tester tests the other functionality which are related to login button. When there is performance issue fix, loading the home page takes 5 seconds, reducing the load time 2 seconds. When there is environment change, updating the database from MySQL to Oracle or other. Regression testing manual or automation. Regression tests are generally extremely tedious and time consuming. We do regression tests after every deployment, so it would make life easy to automate test case instead of running manually on each and every time. If we have thousands of test cases, it's better to create automation test script for the test case which we do on every build, that is regression testing. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe this channel.